What is the role of mobile technology in the classroom? Well, the role of mobile technology in the classroom, students are more engaged. There are apps that students that could use to play games. Students are able to transfer that knowledge from the classroom to home. It can help parents to assist their students with their homework. They will be able to see small videos to help assist them within the classroom. 5 ways to help students learn. They are able to create portfolios to express themselves. They can use it for written assignments. Students can learn to learn typing at an early age, so that when they're older, they're able to use technology to create essays. Also, they can use it, just as I said, with study habits, where it can transfer from school to home to help assist them with things that they're having difficulty in, as well as they can use it to do projects, do online projects with their peers. It's a piece of material that can be very interactive with students. How will it help teachers? It will help teachers. We will be able to create videos where even explaining, giving parents, where parents can see how to work problems with their student at home. We will be able to create online chatting and discussion forums if there's problems. You also can create surveys for parents. It can help you with parent interaction, parent communication, emailing. You can email parents. It's a good grading system. There's apps that give you a grading scale. You also can put your grades on an online form, such as eSchool. You also can prepare PowerPoint games, such as like a Wheel of Fortune game. I use it as a random selector. I have use it for timers. There are so many things that you can do with the technology. Those are just a few to name. And like I said, the role of it is interactive, very interactive. Students are more engaged. They're engaged with games at home. You can also make video games that are educational. You have websites like ABCYA. The kids love to play those interactive games while they learn. So it's just a new move toward the future, and I am enjoying it.